Hi guys, I bought this Zephyrin Joan Rose last February and it's already in the middle of April. It is a thornless climbing rose, thrives in full sun at least 6 hours, has a strong fragrance. It blooms in spring, summer, and fall. My hole is about 12 inches deep and 16 inches in diameter. I've thrown in a mulch. The height of the soil inside this little pot, from the bottom up to here, it's about 8 inches. This is a mixture of equal parts of the native soil, compost and peat moss, and a handful of perlite. I dropped 2 heaping tablespoons of bone meal, and now 2 heaping tablespoons of this tomato fertilizer. And a tablespoon of earthworm castings. Nice root system. Pat down the soil so that there's no air pocket, because the oxygen can suffocate the roots and maybe even kill the plant. I've watered already. This one is really nice to be planted beside that pink climbing rose, but my husband wants this to be planted in front of the house. This is the only one in the store that the bloom was not spent. It'd be nice to buy 2 or 3. Got a break from that noisy blower. Perennial lupin needs full sun at least 6 hours, 24 to 36 inches in height, and plant them 36 to 4 inches apart. Next to plant either this sweet mademoiselle. Let's see the thorns first. Oh, not much. Peach swirl. Look at the trichomes. Crazy. Many. I have decided to plant this one. That rose is dark pink, and this one is pink also. I have decided to plant the peach swirl because the color is yellow and orange. Alfalfa meal, triple 13, bone meal. If you plant the puny rhizomes too deep, they're not going to produce blooms. So plant the rhizomes 1 to 2 inches below the soil surface. The prairie sun, black-eyed Susan plants are going to be planted in the same soil level as when I bought them. By the way, I planted 3 peach swirl roses. I want them to look like one big rose bush, like this one. I planted here 3 Moonlight in Paris roses. By the way, the variety of this birded iris is Cherub's Smile. If you're going to subscribe to my channel, it will be highly appreciated. Love, love, love!